What if I told you that learning just 3 simple AI skills could start make you $500 a week without a degree, a camera, or even leaving your home? Sounds crazy? Watch this. In this video, I am breaking down the top AI skills anyone can learn, even total beginners, and how to turn them into real income from the comfort of your home. This isn't theory, it's practical, step by step, and beginner friendly. So stick around till the end because I'll also reveal the exact tools, freelance platforms, and passive income tricks you can start using right now. AI writing is when you use tools like ChatGPT to write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and more, all in minutes. You don't need to be a writer, you just tell the AI what you need and it writes for you. Go to chat.openai.com, use GPT 3.5 for free or GPT 4.0 for better results. Write prompts like write a 500-word blog post about home workout tips for beginners, write an amazing product description for a travel backpack. How to earn with these skills? Freelance platforms. Fiverr offer blog writing with ChatGPT $15 to $50 per gig. Upwork, apply for writing tasks, deliver using ChatGPT. People per hour, create quick delivery writing offers. Passive income ideas. Create a niche blog and publish AI written content. Monetize with Google AdSense or affiliate links. Use Grammarly to polish your AI content and Quillbot for paraphrasing. You will stand out with higher quality writing. You can now design logos, social media posts, ebook covers, and even t-shirt designs using free or low-cost AI tools. No Photoshop needed. Canva, that is free, templates, AI-powered magic design, background remover. Midjourney or Leonardo AI for AI-generated art. Use text prompts like a minimal modern logo for a coffee shop in brown and green. Cute watercolor animal art for nursery posters. How to earn with this skill? Freelance income like sell logo design, branding kits, and social media posters on Fiverr, Upwork, 99 Designs. Passive income? Create digital products like wall art, Instagram templates, sell on Etsy, Creative Market, or Gumroad. Upload designs to Redbubble or Teespring for print-on-demand income. Use ChatGPT to write product descriptions for your design listings. AI plus AI equal more sales. With tools like 11 Labs or Play.ht, you can create voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, podcasts, ads, and YouTube channels without using your own voice. 11labs.io free tier available. Paste your script, select the voice style like male, female, professional, emotional, etc. Download the audio file in seconds. How to earn with this skill? Freelance jobs. Offer AI voiceover for YouTube or ads on Fiverr, $10 to $100 per voiceover. Contact YouTube channel owners, coaches, and small businesses directly. Passive income. Make faceless YouTube shorts with voiceover plus stock footage. Sell audiobooks or narrated stories for kids on platforms like Amazon KGP or Gumroad. Pair ChatGPT plus 11 Labs or Victory to create fully AI-generated videos, writing, voice, and visuals, and start a YouTube automation channel. Start with one skill only, writing, design, or voice. Build your portfolio with 3 to 5 samples. Sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy. Offer low-cost gigs to get your first reviews. Scale up by delivering faster using AI. Reinvest earnings into better tools on your own brand. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need a huge budget. With these 3 AI skills, you can start making $500 per week or more right from your home. Comment below which AI skill will you try first. Don't forget to subscribe to FS Tahmina for more AI income ideas every week.